Hey English learner! Common mistakes in English grammar. I want to eat now. Wrong. I want to eat now. How many childrens you have? Wrong. How many children do you have? The life is hard. Wrong. Life is hard. You cannot buy all what you like. Wrong. You cannot buy all that you like is the correct sentence. Is ready my passport? Wrong. Is my passport ready? Where is post office? Wrong. Where is the post office? I learning English. I am learning English. I am taking this course for improve my skill. Wrong. I am taking this course to improve my skills. To improve my skills, not for improve my skill. To improve my skill. He is as you. Wrong. He is like you. The technology is changing rapidly. Wrong. Technology is changing rapidly. Follow for more. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, share and like this video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.